Who is the first law officer of the Government of India? Attorney General of India. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker of the Lok Sabha. What is the minimum number of members that must be present to hold the meeting of the Lok Sabha? 1/10 of the total strength. Who has been empowered the functions of the President if both the office of President and Vice President are vacant? Chief Justice. Which one of the following high courts was not established in 2013? Jharkhand High Court. Which one of the below languages was not initially included in the Constitution of India? Manipuri. Which of the following writs literally means "we command"? Mandamus. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Article 51A. What type of answer is expected for starred questions in the Parliament? Oral answer. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with its amendment? (20) How many houses are there in the Parliament of India? 2. Which is the oldest High Court in India? Calcutta High Court. Who is the political head of the municipal corporation? Mayor. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha. How many articles are there in the original text of the Constitution of India? 395. When was the National Human Rights Commission of India formed? October 12, 1993. The disputes regarding the election of the President and Vice President of India are decided by the Supreme Court. Which committee was formed to study the problem of the criminalization of politics in India? Vora Committee. What is the retirement age of Supreme Court judges in India? 65 years. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Mahatma Gandhi. The joint sitting of the Parliament is called by the dash. President. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? B.N. Rao. Article 18 of the Indian Constitution deals with abolition of titles. Who appoints the chairperson of the Estimates Committee? Speaker of the Lok Sabha.